Yeah, the CCSD board approved that controversial employee vaccine mandate at the beginning of September in a 5-1 vote. But still, we don't know much about it. When will the mandate go into effect? What kind of exemptions will be in the fine print? And now education leaders are demanding answers.
People have strong opinions about that, but you can't keep ducking it.
The head of the teachers union, Clark County Education Association, has a question he feels district leaders need to urgently address. What's to become of that staff vaccine mandate the board passed in September?
You have 300,000 kids coming into these classrooms, and it's a confined space. Are you going to complete what you started?
Board member Linda Cavazos told me the trustees haven't received any additional updates regarding the timeline for the vaccine. So then I asked her who would be responsible for providing this update to trustees, to which she responded, Superintendent Jesus Jara or his staff designee. I tried to ask Jara this question in person after their work session, but he had his chief of communications email me this statement instead, saying CCSD is evaluating our options through continued discussions with the bargaining units.
What bothers me is the constant lack of open communication, an issue that we've complained about constantly throughout 2021 with the district. And you hear that resonated back through the union.
Meanwhile, many educators nervously wait for answers. And for rural educators like those in Moapa Valley,
I know there's several of them that have already, turned in their resignation. So it's sad. It's sad.
Because of this?
Yes, yeah, specifically.
The stakes are even higher. Will this cause an exodus of teachers?
It's a big deal. It's very traumatic to replace a teacher or to try to find a teacher. You don't have the teacher pool that you have in Las Vegas.
Especially amid a teacher shortage. Now, there's currently no vaccination requirement among students at CCSD, like there is at Los Angeles Unified School District, but that's something Velardita thinks should be explored given the new variant.
Are you going to complete what you started? And are you going to expand it and ask parents whether or not they want to embrace it? I think that's the overwhelming issue right now that should be addressed.
A spokesperson for the teachers union, CCEA, tells me they feel one of the biggest reasons this has taken so long for district leaders to come to the table on this mandate is because of the turmoil on the board stemming from the firing of Dr. Jara and then unfiring of him after. We will continue to follow this for you. I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.